So now friends, we have done all the technical part. Now we just need to design our website. So now if you will hover on your website, if you will just right click and if you will visit your website, this is how your website will going to look. Very simple, without any content. So now we just need to design this website without any CSS. You just need to do drag and drop. I will tell you how. You just need to go to pages, click on all pages. Now from this home page, just right click on this edit, open this in a new tab. So now friends, after you will open it, you just need to click on edit with Elementor from this top button. And now friends, you are in Elementor page builder. Now you just need to do drag and drop and you can create one professional website. I will teach you how. For example, here you can see we have this plus button. Now if you will select this 3 section, for example, so now you just have to click on these 9 dots. You will come to the main menu part. From here you can just drag this button here. Now you can customize this button. You can make it to middle, right, left. You can provide one link to button. So now every element which you will going to add, you will going to get 3 options, that is content, style and advanced. So in style you can just style these button colors, like if you want it to red. In advanced you will going to get extra features like motion effect, background, etc, etc. Now if you again want to go to your elements, so again click on this 9 elements dots. So when you will click this 9 dots, you will again going to see this element button. Now you can also add video. For example, here you can see one video has been added. If you again want to go to menu, you can again go to menu. You can put heading as well. For example, you can put heading. Again you will going to get one content, style and advanced. Okay, so this is how you can do drag and drop and you can easily create any professional kind of website. Now at very bottom you will see one update button. So make sure that every minute you update whatever changes you will going to make here for safe site, because I've seen sometimes people make lots of customization in their website and for some reason they forget to update, and whatever changes they have made to their website, all the data get lost. So it's better to update frequently. Now if you will refresh your website or just go to your domain, now you will see the changes in your website here. You can see you have added one button, one video and one heading. So this is how Elementor works. Now if you want to remove this, so you can remove it from here. Okay, so now let's design our website. Now when we will going to teach you how to design it, you will automatically going to get familiar with Elementor and how to use it. Now first of all, just click on this plus button and select this one column. Now first of all you can just go to elements, and from here first of all you can drag the text editor here. Now text editor will going to help you to write the text. Okay, so you can write, we are proud to introduce. So we have written the text. Now you can just go to style and you can change the color. Now it is by default left. You can make it to middle, but make it to left only. Now you can change the text color. So from here you can just write, remove everything. Now you can put a slash mark. You can add 474747 to make it extra dark. Now friends, we will going to use this color frequently. Okay, so you can save this color. How you can do that? Just click on this plus button. Now you can just add here slash 474747 and then just click on create. Now whenever you will click on this globe icon, so you will going to get your color which you have just saved. So it will going to save lots of our time. We don't have to every time go to the color and we have to put 4747. Okay, we can directly click on this global icon and we can select our color. Now you can click on typography. So with the help of typography you can change the font weight and everything. So here you can change the typography of this font. So here right now it is selected as Roberto. I can make it to, let's say, some different font. Let's say I will make it to Poppins. So whatever you guys want you can put that. It's totally up to you. Now from the size you can make it to 12 and let's change the weight. So weight means how your text will going to look more bolder. So if you will put to 800, so you can see it will become more bold. Now if you will choose 200, so it will become very light. So I will choose 600. You can transform it to uppercase, so all will become uppercase. So we have done all the settings for this. Now you can just select these 9 elements again. Now we can choose heading. So you can just drag the heading just below this text editor like this, and here you can write. So here I have written fashionable fit trending style menwear. So what if I want to put this in three lines like this. So you just need to add open arrow like this, and you have to write BR, then you have to close it. So you can see that this trending style will go down. Okay, so now if you want that this menswear to go in third line, so after trending style you can again click on open bracket, add BR, and then close it. So now you can see that menswear will go in third line. Okay, so even if you will now put everything in one line, so it will still be at these three lines because we have added the BR. Okay, so whenever you will going to add BR, so you will going to make next word after BR to another line. Now let's customize this text with the color. So just go to style, select the color, remove this, put a slash mark, then you have to add 2B, 2B, 2B. Now again you can save this color because we will going to use this color a lot of times. So just click on plus button. Here you can write slash 2B, 2B, 2B. Click on create. So we have successfully saved that color. If you will click on globe, so now you can see that we have saved this as well. So we will going to use these colors frequently, so that's the reason we have saved it here. Now just click on typography. From here I will select poppins. Now from size you can make it to, let's say, 45. It is good. Now friends, you can see that we need some space in between these three tags, so we can do with the help of line height. So first of all you can select the px from here and you can write here 60, let's say. So now you can see we have good amount of space in between these three lines. Okay, now we have to add one more text editor at bottom. So again just go to elements by clicking on this 9 dots, drag the text editor just below this text. Here you can write whatever you want to. So we have written exclusive from Bing Commerce, so whatever you guys want to, you can do that. I will go to style. Now I have already saved the color, so I can click on this globe icon and I can select 2B, 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 so it will automatically going to match with this color. Now in typography I can make the font family to poppins again. So now guys, see, whatever you guys want to, you can customize it. I am just giving you idea how Elementor page builder works. So after this course you will actually going to learn how you can use Elementor page builder. So right now I'm just giving you idea from which settings you will going to get which features. Okay, and now I can make the size to, let's say, 18. Now we don't have to do anything right now, so I can just go to 9 elements again, and from here I can choose button. So just drag the button down this here like this. Now friends, here in the text here you can just customize it whatever you want. So I can write shop now like this, and in link you can just remove it, and here you can write shop. So you can see automatically it will going to give you options. So you have to select this shop page where all your products will going to show. So just select this. Now we will going to customize this button. So just go to style. So just go to typography, and as I said that I will going to use poppins in majority of my website. So I will select the poppins, and for size I want to make it 14. Now in weight I want it to be little bit darker. So let's put it 600 is okay. Transform it to uppercase, so all will become uppercase like this. You can see shop now, and I can do one more thing. I can just increase the letter spacing. So you can see right now this shop now, these letters are so much sticky with each other, so I can make this letter apart little bit. So I can write here 1, so it will now increase some space between letters. So after you will do this, just go to color and we can change the color to whatever you want. So I will put 22ADC9. Even I can save this color as well. So I can put this color. I will click on create, that is slash mark 22ADC9. So whatever color you guys want to use. So now guys, whatever color you guys want, you can use it for your website, or you can also even follow me as well. Now friends, you can also do something in padding. So now if you don't know what is padding, so with the help of padding you can increase the border of this button. So first of all unlink it. So now from top just add 15, from bottom also add 15, from right just add 35, from left also just add 35. Now we can also add some kind of shadow. So you can just click on this box shadow like this. So you can see that you have added some kind of shadow. You can change the shadow color of this button. So right now I can put it to this 22ADC9. So now you can see the background color is light blue. Okay, then make sure that, as I said you, that you have to frequently click on update. So make sure that you guys update. Now friends, we can add one background image at back. So how you can do that? So you can add one image. So just follow the cursor. Here you can see I'm in this 6 dot which says edit section. So you just need to click there. So you will see this edit section. then just go to style, then just click on classic. Then you have to choose one image. So I've provided you file, so there I've added one image. This is a slide image. You can also use this image, or even you can add your custom image as well. Okay, then click on insert media. So now you can see that you have added one image, but it is not properly added. Now to make this image fit properly, so we can do this easily by going to this setting which says size. From here choose to cover. So now you can see that image will going to come here like this. You can even do some more changes. For example, I want the position to be center to center, so it will become center to center. Now friends, you can increase some space from top and bottom. You can see that shop now button is so much stake here, so you can do by going to advanced setting. From here you can just go with padding. So if you will increase the padding, like for example, if you will increase it, so you can see all the sides will going to increase, so that is very bad. Okay, so just make it to 0. First of all, you have to unlink it. Then from top add 30. So you can see we have got 30 space at top, and from bottom also just add 30. Then click on update. So now if you will just go and type your domain name, and if you will refresh your website, so now you can see that your website is looking like this, which is amazing, right? So in this way we have completed the first section. So you can see it is super simple to do drag and drop and create the website. So similarly we have to do more drag and drop, and we can create one professional website. Okay, now you can just click on this arrow to make the Elementor settings go here. So this is how your website is looking. If you again want to go to Elementor settings, just click on this arrow button. So you will again going to see the Elementor settings. So now guys, we have done our first section. So now let's go to second section. So to create second section, just click on this plus button. Click on this first column. Now you can add one text editor. So just click on this 9 element dots. From here just drag the text editor here, and here you can write passion for fashion. Then you can just go to style, and you can just go put it to center align like this. And from the style you can choose this global. So if we can make it to be this color. Now you can also make some changes in typography. If you guys want to, you can make it to, let's say, Poppins. Now you can also save this font from here also, all the settings, but let's make it manual only. You can make the weight to more darker like this. I can even make the size to 17 like this. Now I can add one heading at down. So again click on 9 dot elements, just drag the heading down, and here you can write shop by categories. Now you can make it to center align like this, and here in style you guys can make it to this 2A AD C9, which is this same color. You can go to typography and you can change it to Poppins if you want to. So now guys, you can see that we have lots of space in between passion for fashion and shop by categories. So you can just select this shop by categories. You can go to advanced, and here first of all unlink both of them, and from margin just decrease it, so you can see it will go upper like this. And make sure from bottom you put some gap, so you can increase from bottom like this. Maybe let's say 18 or make it 20. Now you have to select this passion for fashion. So just click on this edit button, follow my cursor, and from the advanced just go to advanced, unlink both of first of all unlink them and increase it from top. So you can see there is now difference here from this first section and passion for fashion. Okay, now friends, you have to add one more row. So just click on this plus button, click second option, this one. Now you can just go to elements, and you can use inner section. So inner section will going to divide one section into two parts. You can see 1 and 2. Now friends, we have to add images here. So just click on this elements, drag the image here. Now from here just select one image, go to upload files. I've provided you the images. Inside media you can see these images, so you can use these images, or you can even use your own images if you guys want to. So we will going to use this image. Click on insert media. So you can see that this image has been added. Now friends, you can add caption and link to this image as well. So let me show you. In caption, write custom caption. Here you can write t-shirts. Even you can add one link, so whenever someone will click on this image, they can go to any link you will going to provide here. So now guys, you can also do one more thing. Just click on custom URL. Here you can provide t-shirt category. So as you all know, when we are creating our products, so we have created categories. Okay, so you can just go to products, you can go to categories. So as you all know that we have created category of t-shirts, so you can just hover here and just view it by opening it in a new tab. So this is your category for t-shirt, right? So you can just copy the URL like this, you can go to Elementor page builder, and here you can paste the URL. So whatever t-shirt you will going to have for your website, whenever someone will click here, they will go to t-shirt categories. Now guys, we will do further changes here. We will going to show these t-shirts at here. Okay, we will do it in future. So right now you have to add more images, so just click on elements again, go to images and drag these images at top like here. Just select the image. Here you can add this image. Just click on insert media, so this image will be added. Similarly, just go to elements, put images here. One more time, go to images, put one image here. Now in this image we have to put caps. Okay, insert media. You can also write caption here, so let's put caps here. For example, you can click on edit here, and you can also add one more image of shoes. So this is the shoes. You can also add custom caption. Here you can add shoes. Similarly, in this image you can also add one caption, that is bags. Super simple. So now friends, as you all know how you can make different categories, I have told you. For example, you want to add bag category, so you can just go to products, directly go to categories, or even you can create categories as I have shown you when we were creating products. So from there also you can directly create categories, or you can directly create one new categories. For example, let's say when you will go to products categories, you can create one categories of bags. You can put it under something. Okay, and then just click on add new category. So you can see bag category has been added. View it, open it in a new tab. This is your bag category. So whenever you put all bags under this category, all bags will going to show here. So similarly, you can just go to bags. Here also you can add custom link, paste the URL here. So this is how you can create separate categories for cap, shoes, or whatever products you have for your business. Then just click on update. Of course, you guys want to create or upload your products images, you can do that. It's totally up to you, or even you can use the images which I have provided to you for free. Okay, now friends, you can see that we have lots of difference in these images. So you can just click on this edit button here on 6 dots. Then inside layout you can go to this column gap and you can make it to narrow. So now you can see there is very narrow gap between these two columns. And now friends, if you want to make this caption to at here, that means bags will come to here, caps will going to show here, so it's look very amazing. So what you can do, you can just go to advanced, you can go to CSS classes, and here you have to write Woostify, WOOSTIFY /, or I can say /shop /category. So you can see that all things have come here. So now it is looking far more better. Okay, now friends, you can see that we have lots of gap between these images in these images. So we can also do some changes here. So just click on this edit button of this image, just go to advanced, unlink it, just add 10 first of all, and here you can add minus. So now you can see the gap has reduced. Now similarly you have to click on this edit button here, follow my cursor, and just go to column gap and make it to narrow again. So now you can see there is a very narrow gap between these two images. So friends, you can also add more gap here. So let's go to advanced, increase the margin. First of all, unlink it, increase the margin for top. Now it is looking great. Okay, so this much gap is fine. So this is how our second section is looking. So just click on update. Now guys, we can add one more section. So it's very simple. So what you can do, I will teach you one new thing, that is just go here on this edit section, just click here, right click on copy, go here in this section, right click and click on paste. So now you can see the same style we have pasted here. Now you just need to edit it. So just click on this pencil button. From here you can write let's shop. Similarly, just click here, you can write new arrivals. Now friends, here we have to add some products. To add products, you just need to open new tab, and here you have to search WooCommerce short codes. Okay, you just have to search this, that is WooCommerce short codes, and you will going to see the first link, which is talks.woocommerce.com. You just need to open this. Now scroll down, you can use various shortcodes that will going to help you for displaying your products. So here you can put random sales item. So we will first of all go with these featured products. So just copy this. Now just go to your Elementor page builder. From here just go to elements, search for shortcodes here in this search bar, SHORT shortcode. You will see this option, just drag it down here like this, and here you have to just paste this shortcode which you have just copied. So I will just right click and paste it. And now friends, you have to make some changes. That means here in the product limit you have to put 4. In column you can put 4. So 4 products will going to show here. Okay, so now no image will going to show here because we have not set any products to featured images. So first of all you have to apply it, and then just click on update. Now if you want to set any product as a featured product, so just click on all products. Now if you want to feature any product, just click on the star button. So if you want to feature this product, so just put or click on the stars. I also want to feature this product. I also want to feature this product as well. So now you have featured these 3 products. So now if you will refresh your Elementor page builder, but make sure that first you update it, then only refresh. Okay, now just scroll up. Now you can see that these 3 images has been added. Now don't worry, at last we will going to configure the image size properly, but the thing I want to tell you is that how you can feature products. So now you can just edit it. Now it's not new arrivals, it's featured products. So whatever products you will going to add, and when you will going to feature it, it will going to show here automatically. Then just click on update. So now guys, we can add one more section. So here you can show about free shipping, you provide dedicated support, you provide money back guarantee as well. Just click on this plus button, and now you have to select the 3 column. Now you have to just go to elements. From here you have to select the inner sections. I will tell you why you are selecting inner sections. Just follow me, then you will going to understand everything. Now here you can add one icon. So just go to elements, search here icon. So just drag the icons here like this. Now you can change the icon as well. So for example, I will choose basket like this, insert it. Now you can see basket has been added. Now you can go to style, you can change the color. For example, I choose this color. Whatever you want to choose, you can choose it for yourself. Now you can even do some changes in size. So let me make it to 36. Now friends, we want this icon to go left. Okay, so what you guys can do, you can just click here on this section, and here in content width you can make it to 25. So this will go to 25, and in this section you have lots of space. Now you can just go to elements. First of all, you drag one heading here. You can write free shipping like this. You can go to style, you can change the typography to, let's say, Poppins. You can even change the color, so I can choose this same color, and you can also make the size of this to 20, let's say. Now 20 is looking great. Then you can make it more bolder, 700, but 600 is looking great. Now go to elements, and from here you have to add text editor. Just drag the text editor here. You can edit the text. So I have written here, on all orders over $200. Now you can go to style, and you can just customize it. For example, let's make this color to 2A2B, this one. You can go to typography, select to Poppins. I've selected Poppins. Now friends, what you guys can do, you can just click on this edit section of this icon here, and you can make the vertical align to middle. So now you can see that this icon has come to middle. Similarly, you can select this whole edit button, and from this vertical align you can also make it to middle. Okay, you can also select this, you can also make it to middle. Okay, so now it's looking great. Okay, you can see now it is fine. So now it's looking very great. Okay, now friends, you can just copy this whole section. Just click on this edit button in the 6 dot, right click, copy it, just paste it here. Similarly, paste it here also. Now you can just click on this edit button. Here you can just make changes. Just make to headphone like this. Okay, so this will going to save lots of our time. Now you can edit this free shipping. Here you can write dedicated support. Now click here. Here you can write quick response 24/7. Now you can click on this edit basket. Here you can add, let's say, card. So I can add this card, for example. And here just click on this edit button in free shipping, and you can change it to money back guarantee. You can also change this text. Just click on this pencil button here, and you can make changes to worry free shopping. Okay, all done. Then just click on update, because we have done all the necessary changes. And this is how your website will going to look like now. And now friends, you can do one more thing. You can just click on this border. Here you can go to style. Now you can go to border. You can make it to solid, and in left and right, first of all unlink it. In right you have to write 1, in left also you have to write 1. Okay, now you can just see this is how now this border will show here. So now it is looking great. Now just click on update. So now friends, we have to create one more section. So just click here. I can say we have to create more 2 sections. So just click on this 6 dot, just click on copy again, go here and just paste it. So we have got everything duplicated. Now we have to make some little changes here. First of all, click on this edit button here, and here you can write trending now. In featured product, just click on this edit, and here you guys can write popular this week. Now you can just click on this section. Here you have to provide one more shortcode. So just go to your same WooCommerce shortcode, and from here you can go to newest product. So whatever new product you will going to publish in your website, first of all just copy the shortcode here like this. So whenever you will put new products in your website, so new products will going to automatically show here. So just remove this one and paste the newest one like this. And here you guys can see right now ID. So here you can type RAND, that is random. So instead of new products, you can show all the random products. Okay, so it will automatically going to show here. So guys, similarly you can just copy and paste, and whatever shortcodes you want, for example specific products, best selling products, so just copy the shortcodes and just paste it here, and you will see that shortcode will going to work here. It is super simple. Then just click on update. Now we have to create one more section. So what you guys can do now, you can just copy this section. So just click on these 6 dots, just copy this and just go down and here just paste it. Now just click on this pencil button, and here you can write stay up to date. Now here in this headline, just click on this pencil edit button, and here you guys can write follow us on Instagram, and you can provide your Instagram images. Now you can do one more thing, just click on this plus button, and now you can select 5 column, which is this one. Then you can make the content width to full width. So now what will happen when you will choose full width, so your whole website will be covered with that images. Right now you can see it is in boxed way, you can see it is box, you can see it is in box way, you can see this section is also in a box way. So I will teach you what does that mean in a few bit later. And you can also stretch the sections, and you can make the column gap to, let's say, no gap. Now you can just go to elements, just drag the image here. Now select the image, go to upload files. Now I have provided you the file. So here in Instagram you will find all these 5 images. If you want to use it, you can use it, or you can even create yours as well. So first I will put this as image. I have put the image. Now you just need to click on this edit button, and you have to right click, and you have to copy it, and you have to paste here. Just paste it, paste it, paste it. Here also paste it. Now you just have to click on this second button or second pencil button of this image. You can now just change it to this one. Similarly, just select the third image pencil, and here you can edit. Here you can edit some other images like I am doing, which is this one. So now you can see now every of my images has been added here. Now friends, you guys can see that inside all the images you will going to get this link option. So you can choose the custom URL, and you can provide your Instagram URL. So for example my Instagram page is this one, that is beingcommerce.official. So you can also follow us here. You can see 61,000 followers. Just copy the URL and paste it here. Super simple. Okay, so similarly if you want to put all images, just click on this edit button, go to link, click on custom URL, again paste your Instagram URL. Similarly you have to do with all the images, and then just click on update. So now you can see we have updated it. Now we have to see how our website will going to look. So you can see, go to your domain. So type your domain, click on enter. So now friends, you can see this is how my website is looking right now. It is just looking amazing. Okay, now don't worry about these images. You just have to put more products in your website. After you will put more products, your website will look more good, because we have put only 3 products. So that's the reason only 3 products are showing here. Okay, otherwise your website is looking very great. Go to Elementor page builder now. Okay, so if you want to customize your website, you can 100% customize it. I have told you in which setting you will get which feature. So just use the Elementor page builder, just do drag and drop, and you can even make some changes if you guys want to.